Hello friends, good morning to all of you. Welcome to back my YouTube channel again and again. So today our topic is rivers of Himachal Pradesh. So as we know that there are 5 rivers in Himachal Pradesh: Chenab, Ravi, Vyas, Satluj and Yamuna. So let's start one by one from Satluj. Satluj is longest river and HP flow is 320 km in HP. It originated from Tibet, Mansarovar, and a place well known as Rakstal. Entry point in HP is Shipki, is located in Kinnaur, and exit point in HP is Nellagaon in Bilaspur. So, Sanskrit name is Satudra and Vedic name is Shatudri. Maximum flow of Satluj river in HP in Kinnaur, and that is 120 km. District in which Satluj flow: Kinnaur, Shimla, Kullu, Mandi, Solan and Bilaspur. Other name of Satluj river: Red, Yellow, Blue river and Himavati and Shatudra. Next, tributaries of Satluj. As I highlighted some tributaries of Satluj in particular districts that are asked in several times in our state exam as well as our center exam, so they are very important. Like in Kinnaur, Baspa and Spiti, Ropa, Uhal, and largest tributary of Satluj is Spiti river. In Shimla, Nogli, Savera, Chamda and Manchan. Kullu, Ani Jibbi and Kurpan. In Mandi, Imla, Vimla. Sometime Imla is also written as Amla, so don't confuse. And in Solan, Gambrola, Dabbar, Kuthar. In Bilaspur, Sheer, Shukr, Saryali, Ali and Gambar. Gambar is very important tributary of Satluj in Bilaspur. Next, Byas. HP flow is 256 km. It is originated from Vyas Kund, Palchan Gaon, Brigu Lake, Rohtang Pass and Pir Pranjal. It depend on question that from where it will originated. Like if they will ask you about particular lake, then Brigu Lake. If they will ask you about in which pass, so Rohtang Pass. And if they will ask you that पर्वत श्रृंखला है ना, सो दैट इज पीर प्रांजल. एंड इन विच विलेज, सो पलचन विलेज या पलचन गांव. एंड नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, एग्जिट पॉइंट इन एच पी जो है दैट इज मिर्थल इन कांगड़ा. संस्कृत नेम विपासा एंड वैदिक नेम अर्जिकिया. एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट इन विच ब्यास फ्लो, सो कुल्लू, मंडी, हमीरपुर एंड कांगड़ा. ओनली इन 4 districts while Satluj river is flow in 6 districts. Next, tributaries of Byas river. So in Kullu, Parvati is biggest tributary that is originated from Mantalai in Kullu. So it is very important question that biggest tributary of Byas river, that is Parvati, and from where it is originated, so it is originated from Mantalai in Kullu. Next, Mandi, Uhal, Suket, Luni, Gumma and Bassi are tributaries of Vyas from Mandi, and from Hamirpur, Sundra, Man and Hathli are the tributaries of Vyas in Hamirpur. And next, Kangra, Bair, Baner, Banganga, Kurali, Nugal, Awa and Chakki are the tributaries of Byas in Kangra. Next, Ravi. HP flow of Ravi river is 158 km while it is originated in Bada Bengal in Kangra, and exit point of HP of Ravi river is known as Khari. And where is Khari? So Khari is in Chamba. And Sanskrit name of Ravi river is Iravati and Vedic name of Ravi is Purushni. District in which flow, so there are 2 districts in which Ravi flow, Kangra and Chamba. And one main key point is that By great Sikandar, Ravi is called by Harashtra and Rohidis. Sometimes these words will come in exam, and below there are 4 options, so they will ask you about that, who will declare this river as Harashtra and Rohidis. So the answer is Great Sikandar. And what they call? So they were called Harashtra and Rohidis. Next, tributaries of Ravi. So in Kangra, Badal, Tantragir are tributaries of Ravi in Kangra, and as well as they are the glaciers of Kangra. Next, Chamba, Siul, Bhera, Sal, Budhir, Tunda, यहाँ पे तुंडा, होली, मनी महेश and Kugti. So they are tributaries of Ravi. Next, Chenab. HP flow of Chenab is 122 km and it is the largest river, while the Satluj is 320 km, but it is the longest river of HP, and largest river of HP is Chenab, and its flow is 122 km. It originated from Baralacha Pass, and it is by, where is Baralacha Pass? It is in Lahore Spiti. Exit point in HP, Sansari Nala in Chamba, Sanskrit name Chandrabhaga and Vedic name Askini. Next, districts in which flow. So there are 2 districts, Chamba and Lahore Spiti, and this Chenab river is famous for gold, as well as it is known as the river of lovers. So there are there are many perspectives to form the questions, as well as easiest to toughest. So I will mention every point in this type of notes, that firstly you have to do these notes, and after that you are ready to attempt some basic and some tough questions. Next, tributaries of Chenab. So there are tributaries of Chenab in Lahore Spiti, Chandra, Bhaga and Marnala, and in Chamba, Senchunala and Tavi. Next, Yamuna. Yamuna is HP flow is 22 km and it originated from Uttarakhand in Yamunotri and Kalind mountains. So here is also one correction, that it will be Kalind mountain or Kalind range. And next, entry point in HP is Khodri Manji, is located in Sirmaur, and exit point in HP Tajewala, that is also in Sirmaur. One correction more in Tajewala. It is a Tajewala. WALA होगा यहाँ पे, KA की जगह. Next, historical relation of Yamuna river with god of sun. Eastern river of HP is also known as Yamuna, and Vedic name of Yamuna is Kalindi, and district in which flow is Sirmaur. Next, tributaries of Yamuna. So there are it is in only a one district, so its tributaries are Giri, Jalal, Andhra, Pabbar, Bata and Toss. Now I will tell you one more important thing, that there are 5 main rivers of HP, as we know, and Satluj, Byas, Ravi and Chenab. These first 4 rivers are come in Sindhu Tantra, while the Yamuna is a one only single river in HP that will come in Ganga Tantra. Next, I have discussed every point with you, with tributaries, main important HP flow, origin, entry, exit point, and Vedic and Sanskrit name of the rivers. So thanks a lot of you for watching my channel. Kindly like, subscribe and comment your doubts in comment section. Thank you.